If we choose to apply the completing the square steps to solve for a standard form, x squared plus bx plus c equals 0 equation, so we can find a rule that works for every single case, you'll end up having the quadratic formula that we talked about in class. X equals to negative b plus or minus the square root, b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. If you apply all the steps of completing the square to this equation right here, you'll end up with the quadratic formula. Disclaimer, the previous example that we just solved, this completing the square example where we follow all the steps, if you choose to do the quadratic formula, you can do so. You don't have to always use the completing the square. You can choose to use the quadratic equation or the quadratic formula, and you will find your answers. You'll still find x is equal to 3 square root of 2 plus 2 and negative 3 square root of 2 plus 2. Let's look at example number 5, where we're going to solve using the quadratic formula. We have 2x squared equals x minus 4. If you notice, I don't have my equation in standard form, ax squared plus ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So that will be my first step, to rewrite it in this form so I can identify which one's my a, which one's my b, which one's my c, and substitute in the quadratic formula. I will subtract negative minus x on both sides and add 4 on both sides, so I can cancel or reduce on the right side my values. X minus x is 0, negative 4 plus 4 is 0, and now I will have 2x squared minus x plus 4 equals 0. A is equal to 2. My b is negative 1, invisible math, and my 4 is going to be my c. Substituting the quadratic formula, x equals to negative b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. I will have x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus the square root of negative 1 squared minus 4 times a times c. Let me move everything. My a is 2, my c is 4. Everything divided by 2 times a. Which is 2. You can choose to do it by hand every single step. For example, now negative times negative 1, it's 1. Plus or minus negative 1 squared is 1. 4 times 2 times 4, that is 32. Everything divided by 4. Let me keep on going in a different slide.